Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We would like to presentation about anatomy of the human digestive system. Alright, the digestive system is the process of receiving food, becoming energy, and removing the rest of the process. In the digestive system of the body that occurs along the digestive tract and is divided into three parts. The first digestive system. First is mouth organs, and then teeth, esophagus, small intestine, large digestive tract, and anus. Alright, and here we have mouth organs. The mouth is a part of the body that functions as a doorway for food to enter the human body. In this section, there are several tools that will help in the digestive system. Example is teeth, tongue, and the presence of saliva. In this oral cavity, food will undergo mechanical and chemical system processes. Next is tooth. As is well known that this tooth has a function to chew food to make it smooth. With this process, the digestive enzyme will digest the food faster and easier. The teeth themselves become four types depending on the location and function, such as incisor, canines, front molar, and rear molars. In addition, human teeth consist of three parts, namely the crown of the tooth, or commonly known as the corona, the neck of the tooth or column, and the root of the tooth or radix. This dental crown or cusp is included in the outermost part of the tooth. Next is esophagus. The esophagus is the connecting channel between the oral cavity and the stomach. This organ has a function as a way for chewing food from the oral cavity to the stomach. So, in this part of the esophagus, only drains food into the stomach, and there is no digestion there. It turned out that the muscle in the esophagus can contract in waves, so that it will easily push food into the stomach. The movement that occurs in the stomach is known as peristalsis. This movement occurs because the muscle that extend and encircle the wall of the esophagus alternately contract, so that the peristalsis is deflating movement in the esophagus to push food into the stomach. And then large digestive tract. The large intestine, also known as the large bowel, is the last part of the gastrointestinal tract and of the digestive system in vertebrates. Water is absorbed here, and the remaining waste material is stored as feces before being removed by defecation. Next is stomach. The organ or stomach, better known as the ventriculus, is a large sac located to the left of the abdominal cavity that functions as a place for a number of digestive processes. The stomach itself consists of three parts, namely at the top or called the cardiac, the rounded middle part or fundus, and at the bottom is called the pylorus. Cardiac is located close to the liver and is directly related to the esophagus, while the pylorus is directly related to the duodenum. And the last is anus. The anus is the last part of the digestive tract. This organ is in the form of a 2-inch or 5.08 centimeter long tube consisting of the pelvic floor muscles and two anal sphincter, or internal and external. The sphincter muscles are important in providing expenditure. The pelvic floor muscle create an angle between the rectum and anus that can explain stools, when it shouldn't. The internal sphincter is always tight, unless feces enter the rectum. This function so that a person can prevent defecation without realizing it while sleeping or not realizing the presence of feces. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.